Good morning, everybody. Having a cup of coffee. And we're going to stop for our Out of the Loop series right now today and get this adjusted. Rye bread and homemade spreads. I have a spinach and cream cheese spread with water chestnuts and jalapenos, and I have a chicken spread that I made this morning. Take a breast of chicken, cook it, I boil it, and then I put it in a food processor, add mayonnaise, pickle relish, and cream cheese, and it lasts me for the whole week. Now, a lot of you people have doubted me on September. Okay, that's fine. That's your opinion. But when you start attacking me and calling me a fearmonger or fear porn, I don't do fear porn. I just warn people and I make people laugh. That's about it. I do not profit off of items made by slave labor. I do not profit over items that made by child labor. I do not profit on items not made in America. Okay? A lot of YouTube channels, almost half the channels on YouTube does this. Okay? Now, I know Maddog Survival, his products, he made them himself. That's handmade. And I always vouch for Maddog Survival in England, UK. So go check out his website on eBay or Etsy, or I forget. Go check him out because I trust Andy. All right? Other people who talk about certain things and they say they can produce a lot of food, they're out of their stinking gourds. They're in the same category as Homestead preppers. I tell them 500 pounds of food, and if you show me wrong kinds of food, you get a deduction. Okay? They show me foliage. That's not a good food source. They show me some kind of weird corn. That's not a good food source. They showed me something, I still can't figure that one out. That's not a food source. Food sources are spread out, and it's that big assortment of food that you keep. Minimum is 500 pounds per person for 1 year. And there's only a few things that you can grow that fits in that category. I just did a video on this. Okay? So I have to go up to Homestead Preppers and I tell them, do you have 500 pounds of assorted food that keep you alive, just you, for the whole year? But I got a family of 4. Duh. And I kind of look at them. That means you have 2,000 pounds of food? I don't even have 1,000 pounds of food. Okay, reality check. If you cannot make the basic minimum of 500 pounds of grown food, you're out of your league. Okay? Now, I've seen a lot of people, they showed me all the gadgets, and I look at them, and I told them, how much energy does it take for you to grow that single gram of protein or gram of carbohydrates or gram of fat? And I told them, you're wasting more energy than you put in. I don't want to hear the excuses. I got math. Okay? Simple, basic math. 2 plus 2 is 4. Not 2 plus 2 is 18. It doesn't work like that. Okay? This is part of the Starvation series. Because I have a lot of people that shows me stuff. I don't know. We have some kind of blight out there. 2 things. Blight is attractive to weak plants. That means you have to either spray aspirin, vinegar, or baking soda in different dosage. Test your soil if it's alkaline or acidy. Second thing, you have a deficiency in the soil. Plants get attacked when they are at the weakest point by blight. Blight's around us. Strong plant will ignore it. Weak plants with a deficiency will die. Okay? Same thing with potatoes. Your dirt's too hard. They're all coming up to the top. Everybody, normal dirt, it's at the bottom of the bucket. Abnormal dirt, their potatoes leaving the ground. Same with daikon, same with radish, or the turnips. one area, they all grew out of the ground. So instead of being at the ground, they're grown out of the ground. And people wonder, how come it does that? Your soil stinks. You need more organics. Now, there's a few gardeners that I trust, like Epic Gardening and David the Good. They know what they're talking. It's partially organics. Epsom salts by the Green Wizard, our friend, that's only good for really heavily damaged soil. So quit parroting, get his book, read it to cover, and correct your soils. 2, if you don't have the mycelium, that's another thing that the Green Wizard tells you about, is soil bacteria and fungus. If you don't have the right amount, you're going to have all sorts of crap in your garden. Okay, folks, this is just a short, very short, I don't know when I'm going to put this out, but short starvation series, the plain truth, simple, and let you know about it. Okay, because Uncle Alan's busy. Uncle Alan's sick. I got to fight smoke inhalation. 30 days, my doctor says I smoked 40 packs of cigarettes in the last 3 weeks. No, I've been breathing our air out here. Then I got to wake up early in the morning, do eye surgery with a local because they ran out of the good painkillers. Yay. So I told him, I'm not canceling. This is my 4th cancellation. You put it in there, give me a local, and I'll swallow Tylenol and fry my kidneys. If push comes to shove, I am tough. Okay? A lot of you guys, when push comes to shove in September, you're going to curl up in a little ball and cry like a little sissy girl. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day. I'll see you later. Do something good for your community. Always, always stockpile. Prepping is over. Stockpile 2 things, food and water. Okay? Get your car up to date. Do maintenance. Do any surgery you have to do in August or September if you can make it, because it's going to get really screwy next. Shoot. I said the whole rest of the year. But September is going to be the high point. First phase is already done. I thought it would wait until the 11th. But you know, Captain Screwy, aka Captain Crazy, went ahead too early. And we know what happened to that country next to Pakistan. Okay? I'll catch you later, folks. I'll see you later. You have a nice day. Bye, folks.